Here you'll see your Webasto Smart Temp controller. There's only 3 controls on here. This controls the temperature set. This is what I call the OK button. And this turns on and off the heat mode. You press that, you see these red lights turn on. That means that heat mode is activated and it's going to start up and start doing its thing. It goes through a warm-up procedure, then we'll start operating at normal speed. Don't be alarmed if you don't see or hear the fan start running at a high rate after you first start the heater. To turn off the heater, you press the Webasto button until the red lights turn off. Don't be alarmed if you still hear the fan running. That means it's going through a cool down procedure and will turn off once it has reached optimal temperature.